Alright student, we continue with the timeline. So as I said, let's say we click the slide 1. So here we can add and reduce the seconds. For example, the first character is at the 0 second. When we click, we can see the character is 0 second until 3 second. We can adjust where we want to have the character. For example, let's say we want to have it at second number 4. So it will appear at number 4 second until 8 second. When you play, you can see only at the 4 second the character will be appear, and it will be remains there until 8 seconds, and then it will be disappear. So this is how you can adjust the timing for each component that we have here. For example, this is the character of the boy. When we click here, the boy's character is at 2 seconds. Maybe we can adjust it is from 0 second. And then we want to adjust until 5th second, for example. So when you play, you can see the character's appearance is different for each character. Alright. So not only for the character, for the text also we can adjust the timing. For example, add name character, when we click, it will appear at 3 seconds. If we want to adjust until 5th second, for example, so we can keep it like this. Each of these we can preview by click the play button. So each component, either character or text or arrow or shape or picture, we can adjust the timing. Alright. Okay, now, so once you done this one we call it playhead. Playhead will determine in which second we are now. So as I say, these are the maximum seconds, and we can play, add and reduce seconds here. The maximum second that we can have in each slide is 20 seconds. So each slide we can adjust the timing. So now you already learned about the slide panel, timeline panel, and also the library panel. So now I'm going to teach you how to do the transition between each slide. For example, this is slide 1 and slide 2. In between this we have transition. Let's say we click the transition here. For example, hands. Okay, this is for slide 1 to slide 2. Slide 2 to slide 3, click again the transition. Let's say we click roller. Slide 3 to slide 4, another transition. Let's say pull down. 4 to 5, let's say we click another transition. For example, poof. Okay, when we play, if you want to play from the beginning, click at the slide number 1 and click the blue button. Alright, but make sure it starts from 0 second first. Okay, when you play, you can see the transition for the slide when it changed from one slide to another slide. Okay, this is slide 1, end of the slide. Okay, you can see the hand just now. This is for the slide number 2. Alright, we're going to have transition now, yes. And then slide number 3. Alright. Okay, slide number 4. So each slide we have the transition. Okay, now we already cover about the slide panel, timeline and library panel. Now we're going to export this. Once you've done this, you can click at the export button. So when you export, we cannot export at MP4 because this is Speed Pro. Okay, that means we have to pay. So usually we will publish in YouTube. So in order to publish in YouTube, click at YouTube. Alright. And then make sure you choose the privacy is public and then click next. Change the name. Okay, title of the Powtoon. You can change the category. If let's say education means, you can remain education and then click next. Upload Powtoon. So your Powtoon will be uploaded in YouTube. Alright. So you can have a message, congratulations, your Powtoon has been published successfully. We will notify you by email as soon as possible. So what you can do, wait for your email. For example, and click at the email. Right. Okay, you see, we will have a message that our Powtoon is published successfully, and they will give the URL to your YouTube. When you click the URL, you will have your Powtoon in YouTube now. See, just now I entered the 13, so you will have the Powtoon. So this Powtoon link you can share to anyone that you want. See, you click share and you can have the link. Alright, this is the share link. Or you also can take from the here. This is the Powtoon link. Alright, okay, click and then you can share to everyone. So, dear student, I hope you understand how to do the Powtoon right now. Alright, so this is all about Powtoon. Now, I'm going to teach you how to do the storyboard. Alright, look at the storyboard now. Okay, this is sample storyboard. Alright, this is sample storyboard. Right, so here you have to write your code name. This is DEC50. Okay, here choose first what title you want to do. Okay, for example, here they have choose what is wireless technology. So choose what title you prefer, right? So when you choose the title, make sure it is related to studies. So that means related to any course that you have studied in Polytechnic. Okay, let's say this student choose what is wireless technology. This is under course name Computer Networking Fundamental and the code is DEC3023 and it is from chapter 4. So you have to choose your title based on what you want to do for a subject, a subtopic in a subject. So once you have this, you can have column scene, sketch draw, video visual, audio, wardrobe, location, duration. For example, scene 1. So this one that we can take from the Powtoon, just print screen and cut from the scene 1. Okay, this is what is the video, what is the text you're going to have, what is the transition we're going to have. For example, this is opening. The text is here is what is wireless technology. The transition we're going to have here is hand. For the audio, what is the audio name? Okay, so wardrobe means what is the background. The background is paper. The paper color is white and we have character here. So where we have done this scene 1, it is at paper, 1 paper. Okay, how many duration? That means the timeline duration, so 7 seconds. When we go to scene number 2, print screen again, scene number 2 that you created. Okay, what is video? Okay, dissolve it. Okay, introduce. What is the text here? You can have it. And what is the transition? Poof. Audio, write down what audio you're going to have here. Okay, or script. Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I would like to have. Okay, and then what is the wardrobe prop? So here the wardrobe is whiteboard, gray, and then 1 character. So this one, where is the location? Location is classroom and the duration is 10 seconds. Okay, go back to the third slide. For the third slide, we're going to have dissolve in. This is the transition. Okay, for this transition from third slide to fourth slide, we're going to use transition pool. So what we're going to have this is show the definition of the wireless technology. So what is the text here? The definition of wireless technology. This is white background, yellow background, pink and color pencil. So whatever involved in this slide 3, we will write here. And this one is A4 paper and duration is 7 seconds. So you have to do until how many slides, total of slides that you have. Each slide must have storyboard. Okay, let's say this is the final slide. You see, this is dissolve in ending. What is the script we have in this slide? Alright, and then how many seconds? All the details here. So once you complete, so you have done with the storyboard. Remember, the title that you choose must be related to what you have choose for your from a subject. Okay, subtopic from the subject. So this is all about how to do storyboard table. Now we're going to see sample